Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are here playing some Roblox, and today it is also Jailbreak. I'm going to be trying to open up a frost camo, but yeah, what's this dude look like he's arrested for? Like, bro, what is the point? No. Oh, I saw that cop in there, dude. Okay. I'm over here. Explode this ammo. No, please explode for me. Thank you very much. Helicopter's coming. It doesn't really matter because I've got to run anyway. Okay. This is what I do. Jump up there. Okay. Now kill yourself. And you will spawn at a criminal base. Yay! Criminal base. Hello, criminal base. I'm going to pick up some. I hear that helicopter. Hide. Okay, this thing is typing in the chat. I got Bugatti. Whoa! Yep, no red car. Because we didn't start getting some cash. And I want some freaking cash. So, hop over. Hello, beautiful car. Oh, you fat doodle banger. Oh, these fat doodle bangers. Ah, I didn't get arrested. Let's grab this shotgun. This guy's approach at me, what does M mean? What does M mean? Oh my god. Okay. Bro, you doodle banger. I can grab this heli up here. Because why not? So let's just go in here. And let's grab some shield, tools, and a torch. Bro, this doodle banger thinks I'm a prisoner. Like, doodle banger, what are you doing? Now he's shooting at me. Like, this big fat doodle banger. Like, seriously, dude. Like, just leave me alone, dude. I don't want to get shot in the face. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna change the body color to white quickly. Body color white. There we go. Really nice. Yeah, we're gonna fly over and nab this Bugatti. Bro, is this doodle banger trying to shoot down my helicopter? Where's this doodle banger? Oh, you big fat doodle banger. I'm actually gonna park on here and like, hello down there. How's it going, dude? Oh, bang. Let's go. And bro, let's go to the bank. We're going to unlock this helicopter. And we're going to parachute out, because why not? And then just go through this freaking thingy-majig. And then the first go in the building. Bro! This big fat doodle banger! No! Oh my freaking god! This doodle banger, he's like, dude! Bro, I should have actually used the put on this to show we are fierce! We're fierce today! And we're gonna nab a helicopter. No, we're gonna nab our helicopter actually. We're just flying across the map. What litness. Oh. Yeah, bro. Bro, there's a heli up here. I want to get my heli. Oops. Nearly typed a weird word then. Ugh. Bro, this doodle bang is like flying as slow as he can. Like, I'm gonna go get this Bugatti. Because, bro, why not? Oh, doodle banger. This fat doodle banger. I'm actually gonna camp inside the jewelry store using this glitch. If you don't know this glitch, all you need to do, go around here, come up the ladder, zoom in, crouch, and then do that, and then it opens the door. No! It's not being robbed, so we can't camp in there, which is very disturbing. So I'm gonna turn this Bugatti over, and we're gonna go meow. Bro, this is lit. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, give it a thumbs up. There we go. I can't get it in the window. Thumbs up. And I'm crashing. Give that the thumbs up because it's just LOL. LOL for life. Meow. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. And yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Roblox video. Peace.